Today's video is called How to Make $1 Million Detailing. Now, you know what? I'm not going to make this into a mini series. I'm not going to drag on here for 2.5 hours. It's pretty simple. Okay, if you want to make a lot of money detailing, first thing you have to do, learn as much as you can for free. Okay, join the detailing groups. Go on the YouTube videos and learn from professionals that have been doing it for a long time. Save yourself a lot of time, money, and effort by doing it right. Second, only buy things that make you money. Okay? Extractors make you money. Steam cleaners make you money. Power washers make you money. Okay? A brand new exotic car doesn't make you any money. So worry about that down the road. And the third thing, invest in your business first. Okay? You want to make money? Make your life easier while you're working. Okay? Buy yourself the equipment you need. Get the facility you need. Get the truck you need. Whatever you need, get it first before you do all the, other things with your money. There's lots of time for that. Okay? Especially if you're listening to me right now and you're 25 years old and you're just getting out there and you figure, man, I want to make $1 million. Well, here's how you do it. You're not going to make $1 million showing up in a BMW to detail somebody's car. Okay? You're going to make money showing up there in a well set up pickup truck with all the latest equipment, and you charge the person properly. That's another thing you need to do, is make sure your pricing is where it needs to be. All right? And that goes back to the first thing I said. Learn as much as you can for free. Go on the internet, use the internet. That's why it's there. Okay? We didn't have it 30 years ago. We couldn't go and look up the newest products, the newest tools. We couldn't go and look up all these wonderful things. We couldn't go on detailing groups and say, I have a problem. And 2,000 people are there to answer your problem. We didn't have that. So I'm just telling you guys, I'll break it down real quick. Learn as much as you can for free. All right? Buy things that make you money. And most importantly, invest in your business first and make your life a lot easier while you're working. Okay? This is not supposed to be a job. This is supposed to be a career, and it's supposed to be enjoyable. So make it enjoyable. Get yourself the things that are going to make your life a lot easier. Okay? And if you guys can't make $1 million doing this, then it's not my advice that's broken. Okay? If you don't have passion and you don't really want to do this as a career, don't even start. All right? Anyways, I wish you guys the very best, and I hope you make tens of millions of dollars, okay? You can. It's not that difficult. All right? Just like I said, do those 3 things and you're good to go. Okay? Have a fantastic day. Enjoy detailing. And you know what? Like I said, if you're not enjoying it, then get out, because that's not what you need to be doing. You need to find whatever makes you happy and get paid to do that, okay? All right, you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.